Hi friends, I welcome to the trading channel Options Ki Duniya. So let me bring forward the trading setup, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 28th January 2022. Market has already opened and formed 3 candles. The first candle opened somewhere around, I will show you the level, around the resistance level. It is somewhere very close to the resistance level, that is 17,000. So let me mark it. Yeah, somewhere market close opened here, and the level is, that is the first resistance level at 17,268. Now exactly it is trading at that particular level. So if it takes out this particular level, then the chance that market can go higher to the second level, that is 17,381. Now it is at that particular resistance level. Now today's pivot is at 17,069. Market has already opened gap up, so it is at first resistance according to the pivot points. So if the market is not able to break out that 1768 level, then there is a chance that it can fall to the pivot range, that is top central pivot, that is at 17,108. But chances are less because it has already opened up and it traded above 17,268. Today opening high was above the 17,268 level. Yeah, so if it convincingly goes above 17,268 and forms a candle, there is a chance that market can touch as high as 17,381. So this is the Nifty level, and let me come to the Bank Nifty level. So I will put the Nifty Bank. So as you already can see, I have marked the pivot points as well as the central pivot range. Bank Nifty opened higher, so this is the, I think the high I already, so this is the high for the day. So this is the high, so around 38,400 is the around high. Now it is exactly trading at around 38,220, so somewhere here. So 38,220 is the first resistance. So if it trades convincingly above that, there is a chance that the Bank Nifty can move as high as 38,500 during the day. And if it fails to break out, now it is trading at 38,228. If it fails, there can be a candle down, next one. So 37,929 is the level. So this is the level. So 37,929 will be the support. If it breaks that support, then it can come to the pivot point, so that is 37,700. 50. So the market breaks out, that is 38 to 20, so you can trade for a upper range of 38,500. so this is the Bank Nifty level, and today's central pivot range. So this is the central pivot range of today. I have marked it. It is higher than yesterday, so the bias is bullish, so therefore there is a chance that the Bank Nifty can reach 38,500, and it has already opened somewhere at that level in the morning. The first candle is formed. And let me come to the option chain. Option chain has very less significance today because this is the first trading day. You can see Nifty 17,000 call as open interest of 28,000, around 28,000, and 17,200 as open interest of 20,000. So that is the highest open interest for the week. And you can see the put. So put we have highest open interest at 17,000. So that is the support. And then on the higher level, we rarely have any open interest because today is the first day. And finally, let me come to the FII and DII data. So FII data, FII and FPI. So it is here. So FIIs bought 11,417 and they sold 17,684. Yesterday was a big down day. So net selling is around 6,200 crores. And DIs on the opposite, they have bought yesterday's fall. So around 2,881 is their buying quantity net. So net to net, FII data is negative. Option chain does not indicate much. And today there is higher chances that Nifty and Bank Nifty can move higher. So thank you for watching this particular episode. So this is the trade setup for 28th January 2022. Thank you.